Earn more money with CPA marketing right here just by following the simple strategy, which is a paid ad traffic method utilizing this particular platform called RollerAds.com. This is going to be an amazing strategy. I advise you to stick on and watch to the end to utilize right here, as this is an amazing platform you could just simply use to drive traffic to your offers. As you can see right here, you could boost your revenue with RollerAds, as RollerAds is an advertising network with the top performing ad formats, in-house anti-fraud system, and unique optimization algorithms. You can actually go on to checking out the top performing ad format on this platform, and such formats include the push notification, on-click notification, and the in-page push notifications right here. So you can just simply scroll through, you'll be able to see more details about this platform right here. That the platform has 10,000 publishers, 8,000 plus advertisers, and it has actually gotten about 3 billion plus impressions, that is the daily impressions, and about 5 million plus daily clicks right here. This is actually a cool platform that you can just simply utilize to get a lot of traffic, a lot of clicks, a lot of impressions to your CPA marketing offers right now. So if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see much more details about the platform. You could just simply go on to signing up. It's actually quite easy to do so on this platform. You could actually come right here and check out the rates right there, and you can actually see that for the rates right now, you'll be able to see much more details about the rate. That is the amount the amount of impressions you're going to be getting for specific locations and specific ad formats, the amount of clicks, and the bid model right now, or the pricing model. So you can actually come right here. Maybe I want to utilize platforms like the United States. I'm just going to come right here, select the United States, and you can actually see right here the bid model, the impressions, the clicks, and also the bid right now. You can see right here that this is one right now is actually the calendar format right now. This is the push notification format, this is the on-click format, and the in-page push notification. And among all these right here, you can see the amount of impressions you're going to get for each right here. And the one with the highest amount of impression is the push notification, which has about 345,000 or 345 million impressions right there that you are likely to get. And you can see right here, it also has the highest amount of clicks right here, about 137,000, and it has the highest bid right here. So meaning that this is actually the best ad format to use on this platform if you're a CPA marketer and you're looking to gain much more impressions right there. So all you need to do right now is to just simply head onto the platform. You could click on sign up. Sign up is absolutely free. Once you come onto this sign up right to this page right here, after signing up, you just want to come right here, click on new campaign, of which you want to select the ad format to use, select the push notification, select the cost per click right here, because initially you can see right here, this is actually the cost per click right here. So if you do select the cost per click right there, and you do head back to this section, you want to select the traffic preset. But before selecting these guys, you actually need to have a CPA marketing offer in mind that you want to just simply go on to promoting. And if I do utilize this platform called CPA Grip, I go on to registering for an account and create an account. It is quite easy to do so, and I just simply go on to logging into my account. So you can see guys, I'm logged into my account. You just want to come onto this section, select the offer tools, of which a drop down list to be shown to you. Select my offers, be brought to this page. Filter your offers to get offers from any country of your choice, like the United States right here, because that's the country we're going to be focusing on right here for this our ad on Propeller or RollerAds right here. So if you do select the United States right here, just simply scroll through and select a very cool sweepstake offer that is suitable to you. If I select this offer right now, which is to actually gain $100 towards Wingstop right here, all you need to do for this offer is to direct people from the United States to use a desktop device to submit their email address and zip code while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link right here that you do have. And if you do that guys, you do get paid $2.31 for every person that actually fulfills this criteria and go on to doing that. You do go on to making $2.31. And guys, your leads also need to do that, and they stand a chance of winning this $100 gift card giveaway towards Wingstop. So all you need to do right now is to click on copy link. If you copy the link, head on to platforms like Linktree to create a simple landing page. You could use Systemy.io, Breezy.io, Google site, Webflow, or other landing page builder site of your choice right there to create a simple landing page. If you don't know how to do or create one, just simply head on to my channel, OJ Marketing, click on this search icon right here and go on to just simply type in a landing page. If you do type in that right there, you'll be able to see a lot of cool videos I created for you that could help you go on to creating simple landing pages on this platform. You can see right there, this one showed you how to create a landing page with Breezy Cloud. This is with Systemi.io. This is with Google Sites. This is also Systemi.io. This is Google Sites. This is Webflow and Breezy Cloud right here. So check out the videos right there, as they're going to help you go on to showing you how you could create simple landing pages for your CPA marketing offers that can actually be a high converting one right now. So once you do so right there, create a simple landing page and link that to your CPA marketing offers. You want to just simply head back to this platform right there, which is called the RollerAds, and continue promoting your offer right here. So right now guys, for the traffic preset, because you selected the sweepstake offer, select something like this right here. For the general right here, you want to go on to selecting, giving this a name. I can just simply give this as offer or CPA offer. For the target URL, you want to paste in the link to that your CPA marketing offer, or the link to your landing page right here. So once you do paste that in right here, you want to just simply go on to this section, which is called the creative. And right here, you could auto generate, or you could fix in your creative manually. So right now, to do this manually, you just need to head back to CPA Grape right here. You want to just simply copy this entire title to the offer right here. And if I do copy the title, also go on to right clicking on the image and click on save image as to save the image on your device. Once you do that, head back to RollerAds right here. You want to paste in the title right here. For the icon, click on that right now. Select the image which you just saved on your device, click on open, and select the location which you actually want to just simply stop the image right here. So I'm just going to show only this section. Once I'm done right here, I'm just going to click on crop at the bottom right here. So if I do click on crop, that will be used for that section right there. Do similar thing for this right here. So if I select this, click on open, I'm just going to come to this section. And if I come to this section right now, such as you can see right here, I'm just going to come right here and reduce this to something like this. This looks quite okay. I can then just simply click on crop image, and that has actually been cropped. For the description, head back to CPA Grape right here. Copy this simple description right now. Head back to RollerAds and go on to paste in that right here in this section. Once you do that right guys, you can actually see this is how it's going to look right here on Android device or Windows device, and also on Mac OS device. So what you want to do right now is to go on to adding much more creatives right here. You could add in at least 4 more creatives right now, because the increasing number of creatives actually goes on to increasing your conversion rate to your CPA marketing offers right there, because you never might know which creative is actually going to work better for you right there. So for each creative, use a different image from the previous one, use a different title and a different description right there. Once you're actually done with all these guys, you want to just simply go into selecting the country which you want to promote your offer to, and I'm just going to select the United States. Once I do that right there, you want to go on to scrolling through so you could actually get to this particular bid section, and you can see the bid is actually recommending 0.1195. So what I'm going to do is put in something like slightly above the recommended, something like 0.12, and you can see that guys, the forecasted amount of clicks I will be able to get about 19,900 clicks right here. That's actually quite a high amount of clicks. So if I'm getting 19,900 clicks right there, imagine the amount of leads I'll be getting right there. So the leads might actually be up to, let me say, 500 leads. If I get 500 leads from just this campaign, I'm just going to be making 500 multiplied by this particular amount. And if I do go on to gaining access to my calculator, so you can see right here, if I do go on to multiplying 500 multiplied by $2.31, you can see right here I'll be making, just from this particular campaign, I'm going to be making about $1,115 right here just from this campaign. And that's quite simple right here and quite cool right now. So you want to just simply utilize this simple strategy right here. I just estimated 500 conversions or 500 leads which I get to that offer right now, but that could actually go higher and higher than that right there. So you want to just simply keep on scrolling through. For this particular section, you want to click on this budget right here. maybe I want to simply run this ad. Maybe I want to use about $120 to run this campaign, and I just simply want to maybe run the campaign for about 12 days right there. I'm just going to impute a daily budget of $10, and that's going to be utilizing $10 each and every single day for this campaign, and that's going to also last for 12 days. So right here you want to just simply move on to the traffic section. Since this is a giveaway offer, I'm just going to remove people under the ages of 16 right here, and actually go on to inserting an age group of 16 and above. Right here for the limitation, I'm just going to leave all that section, and you want to come onto the device type right here. Since this offer right here is actually a desktop kind of offer, you want to come right here and remove all other platforms except desktop, and right here you can see desktop only available. So you want to just simply scroll through, agree to the terms of service, which is to declare and guarantee that your campaign actually meets quality guidelines before running your campaign on this platform. But guys, you need to actually go on to funding your account right here. As you can see, if you do hover around the balance section, you could just simply click on that, and you're going to just simply top up your balance right there via any of the options that will be shown to you right there, and you can utilize that to go on to promoting your campaign right there and make some cool cash online. So guys, if the video did add any form of value to you, why not just simply hit a like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That is it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.